I had a comment about the heating and my experiment with a low wattage electric heater when I showed that it really wasn't practical, mainly because it just didn't have enough wattage to heat up the trailer and then continue to keep it warm. That experiment was done with only one battery, and at the time I mentioned I thought it'd be quite easy to heat the inside of the cabin with the heater set at 600 watts, and I figured it would last all night because I knew how long it could draw the 600 watts at, which by my estimation should have gotten about probably an hour and a half in total of run time. And like I said, the earlier experiment was with only one battery, and now I have two in here. So what I'm going to do, if you notice, I have covered up the solar panels with a tarp. This way the heater will only be running off the batteries, and I'm going to see approximately how long the batteries can power the heater set at 600 watts. Okay, I'll start my experiment and talk to you again later. Okay, so running the 600 watt heater continuously for 1 hour and 28 minutes resulted in, just a second here, I'll have to shut this heater off. Resulted in, well, now it's recovered a little bit. It says 11.3. It dropped down to 10 volts, and then the alarm came on the inverter, which shut off the heater. But that was at 600 watts running continuously for 1 hour and 28 minutes, I believe. Let me add this up in my head again. 112 plus, yes, 1 hour and 28 minutes, so almost an hour and a half of continuous running. The battery is now obviously low, and I'll shut this off. So with 1 hour and 28 minutes at 600 watts running continuously, considering that the heater would probably only run about 6 minutes an hour, I mean, that's easily 10 hours of heat. And as you can see, I have the solar panels covered. I didn't want to cheat, even though it's not that sunny a day. And what I'll do now is uncover the solar panels, let them go ahead and charge up the battery, or batteries, as I have two batteries, and that's my original experiment was only with one battery, where I ran the small heater. These batteries are about 46 amp hours each. Doesn't mean you're going to get, 92 ampere hours out of them, because running in a parallel situation with these, it's not the best for efficiency. Generally what happens is the first battery in the chain will drain, and then the second battery will kick in. It really doesn't work the best. Batteries in series are much more efficient than batteries in parallel. But this unexpectedly came today. It wasn't supposed to be here till next week. It said on Amazon that it would be here on July 2nd, and it's still June. So I get to play around with this battery. It's 100 amp hour, 12.8 volt. Well, they all seem to have different voltage descriptions. But this will be nice because this battery weighs 22 pounds. These batteries together weighs 63 pounds. So I'm dropping almost 40, I am dropping 40 pounds, 41 pounds, which will be nice. Plus, this battery should have a lot more capacity, being 100 amp hour in the one battery. Okay, thanks for watching.